Hello everyone, this is Dr. Praveen Verma from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Mount Abu. Students, today's our topic is Lewis dot structure. Actually, we have different elements in periodic table. So, we have particular symbol for the atom of an element. So, actually, the Lewis structure is a structure in which we show the only outermost electron of that atom by dot. Suppose we take some elements, we take hydrogen. So for hydrogen, how can we draw the Lewis dot structure? So for hydrogen, we have to just draw a circle, and in middle we write down the symbol of element, that is hydrogen, and only we show the outermost electron. That is what we have, only one electron in orbit. You know the electron constitution of hydrogen, so that is the Lewis dot structure of hydrogen. Okay. Now suppose we take next helium. So for helium we have only 2 electrons in outermost shell. Then for lithium, if we see, the configuration is what? That is, we have all 3 electrons. So in K and L, if you see 2 and 1. So outermost shell is what? L. So there is only 1 electron. So when you draw the Lewis dot structure for lithium, you can draw only what? 1 electron by dotting lithium, case of lithium. Okay. So these are the Lewis dot structure of hydrogen, helium and lithium. Now suppose we take, these are the atoms only. Suppose we take a molecule, then, so if we want to draw the Lewis dot structure molecule, so we can draw easily. Suppose we take one example. We want to draw the Lewis dot structure of HCl. Okay, hydrogen chloride. So actually these are 2 atoms which combine to form HCl molecule. So first we can draw the Lewis dot structure of these 2 atoms separately, the hydrogen. And for chlorine, if you see the electronic configuration, there are 17, atomic number is 17 electrons. So how can you feel? That is, for chlorine, if you want to feel the electronic configuration, that is what? 287 in K, L and N. So in outermost shell, we have only 7 electrons. How can we draw? I am just representing the electron by cross for chlorine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So that is the Lewis dot structure of chlorine. Now when bond is formed, chemical bond is formed, that is covalent bond, so electron share with each other. So how can we represent this one? We overlap the area, and this area we have what? 1 electron shared by the hydrogen and 1 electron shared by the chlorine. So that is the Lewis dot structure of what? HCl. That is covalent compound. Suppose we take ionic compound. Suppose we have NaCl. Then how can we draw the Lewis dot structure for NaCl? So you can understand, for NaCl, suppose we want to draw. So NaCl have 2 types of ion, Na plus and Cl negative. Okay. So we have to draw the Lewis dot structure of Na plus ion and Cl negative ion simply. So for Na plus, plus means what? There is 1 electron is removed. So if you see the electronic configuration sodium, sodium atomic number is 11. So that is what? 281. So that is for sodium. And what will be for Na plus 1? So we have to remove this electron. That is, so 2, 8. So in outermost shell we have what? 8 electron in Na plus 1 ion. So when you draw this one, so Na plus 1, you have to draw what? 8 electron. That is the Na plus ion. Okay. And what about Cl negative ion? If you see the Cl, for Cl the configuration was what? 287. And for Cl minus 1, if we say minus 1, we have to add 1 more electron. So that is 8. So how can we draw? Again, for Cl, there is no overlapping. There is only electrostatic force of attraction. So for Cl, That is what? It is Na plus 1. Okay, and minus 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that is the Lewis dot structure of NaCl. This topic is finished. We will continue next topic in next video. Thank you.